Want to create surveys in GetResponse, but not sure how to do it properly? Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up, customize, and use surveys in GetResponse. Plus, I'll show you a better alternative that gives you more control and flexibility. And here's the kicker, I'll also drop an exclusive extended free trial for the best tool for your needs, so don't miss that. Alright, let's dive in. First, to access surveys in GetResponse, log in and head to the Surveys section under Tools. If you don't see it, it might not be available in your plan. GetResponse tends to lock some features behind higher tier pricing, which can be frustrating. But if you have access, click Create Survey and choose from Templates or Start from Scratch. The interface is simple, but not as customizable as some other tools out there. Next thing, customization. You can add multiple choice questions, text fields, and ratings. But here's where GetResponse falls a bit short. The design customization is pretty limited. You get basic color options, but advanced branding features, like custom fonts or full layout control, are missing. That might not matter if you just need a quick survey, but if branding is important, this could be a deal breaker. The third thing, distribution. Once your survey is ready, you can share it via email, embed it on your site, or use a direct link. If you're running an email campaign, integrating it is seamless, but if you want advanced targeting, like triggering surveys based on specific user behavior, you'll need a workaround, or even a third-party tool. The fourth thing, analytics. GetResponse does an okay job here. You'll see response rates and some basic insights, but it's nowhere near as detailed as dedicated survey platforms. If you need deep analytics, you might find this limiting. Now, here's where it gets interesting. While GetResponse is great if you're already using it for email marketing, it's not the best option if surveys are a key part of your strategy. There are better alternatives that offer more customization, automation, and in-depth analytics. To make it easy for you, I've added an exclusive extended free trial for a top-rated alternative that does everything GetResponse surveys do, but better ***. Plus, I've also included a few other great options depending on your needs. Check the first link in the description to get access to the best free trials and exclusive benefits available only to our viewers.